Hi, this is Tipin again. Salmon is the most popular fish. One of them could be mixed with vegetable. Today we're going to make a recipe for salmon with mixed vegetable, and we are going to fry it. We make it like ukoy. We make salmon in the can. We have here flour and cornstarch, baking powder. We put the salt, black pepper, anato, or food coloring. We put water with some flavor. We could use chicken flavor, our favorite flavoring. Mix it. Mix it good. So we could get the consistency like a pancake. See? And I think this is okay. See, it's nice. We have to put the onions and garlic, green onions, carrots, shredded carrots, shredded sweet potato. We could put also some bean sprout, and finally we put the salmon from the can. Everything, including the oil in there, or the liquid in there. Okay. Now we could go to our cooking area. Take a piece and a spoon of 2x2 spoon. Slide it. See? Smells so good. Maybe we could put another one here. Wow. Wow. Very so good. Let me show you the peanut salad. This is how it looks. It has to be golden brown or a little bit more of brown. And eating this, we call it ukoy. We have this dipping sauce. Actually, this is ketchup. We could make some dipping sauce from vinegar. We have that in our preview video. See? And it's really very crispy. Let me taste. Wow. Put some ketchup. Good. And also, you could use vinegar for this one here. With a mixture of water, sugar, and salt. Okay. Now we are done. And this is how it looks. Thank you so much. Once again, this is Tipin. And stay home, stay safe. Thank you.